Hello everyone, Pioneer, I greet you all from all over the world. So, what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button and subscribed to Pi News World. And also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer, did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork? As of today, you are a millionaire. PiNetwork is making significant strides toward establishing itself as a widely accepted digital currency. With the rapid expansion of its ecosystem, the platform is now preparing to launch 100 new applications designed to facilitate transactions across various industries. This development not only strengthens PiNetwork's position in the cryptocurrency market, but also paves the way for its broader adoption as a legitimate means of exchange. A growing ecosystem and an ambitious vision. Since its inception, PiNetwork has captured the attention of millions worldwide, primarily due to its unique mobile mining system that eliminates the energy-intensive processes required by traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, with a robust and expanding ecosystem, PiNetwork is closer than ever to fulfilling its vision of becoming a widely accepted digital currency for everyday use. The upcoming launch of 100 applications within the PiNetwork ecosystem is expected to be a turning point. These applications are being developed to serve a wide range of functions, from e-commerce and financial services to entertainment and travel. The goal is to integrate PiCoin into real-world transactions, ensuring that it is not just a speculative asset, but a practical medium of exchange. Revolutionizing digital transactions. One of the biggest challenges for digital currencies has been usability. While many cryptocurrencies function as investment assets, few have successfully established themselves as practical alternatives to traditional payment methods. PiNetwork aims to change this by ensuring that PiCoin can be used for purchasing goods, paying for services, and conducting cross-border transactions with ease. With the introduction of these new applications, PiNetwork users could soon book airline tickets using PiCoin, pay for hotel stays and travel expenses without fiat currency, shop online on marketplaces integrated with the Pi ecosystem, and access entertainment and streaming services using Pi payments. If successfully implemented, this ecosystem could challenge the dominance of traditional financial systems, including credit cards and centralized payment platforms. The shift toward a decentralized, user-driven economy could redefine the way people transact globally. Regulatory challenges and adoption hurdles. Despite its promising advancements, PiNetwork still faces several challenges on the road to full adoption. Regulatory uncertainty remains a key issue as governments worldwide continue to debate and refine policies regarding digital currencies. To achieve broader acceptance, PiNetwork must demonstrate compliance with financial regulations while ensuring transparency regarding its circulating supply and governance model. Another critical factor in Pi's success will be the extent to which businesses and merchants accept PiCoin as a legitimate payment option. While its community continues to grow, widespread adoption will require buy-in from major industries, such as e-commerce giants, travel agencies, and global retailers. The upcoming launch of these 100 applications could serve as a catalyst in this regard, offering tangible use cases that demonstrate the currency's real-world value. A step closer to a digital currency revolution. The launch of these 100 PiNetwork applications marks a significant milestone in the cryptocurrency's journey toward mainstream adoption. If the platform succeeds in establishing a functional and widely used ecosystem, PiCoin could become a serious contender in the digital payments space. The question remains, can PiNetwork truly revolutionize global finance? Only time will tell. However, one thing is certain. The movement toward decentralized digital currencies is gaining momentum, and PiNetwork is positioning itself at the forefront of this transformation.